In early 2019, I just blew out my knee. Really not doing anything at all, just trying to run on the treadmill at Orange Theory. I ended up going to an orthopedic surgeon and getting an MRI on my knee. I had torn my meniscus in multiple places. And what I was offered was first a cortisone shot, then really didn't get any response from anybody for several weeks, at which time I could not even walk. I got a cane. It was so hard to go from being so active to being not even able to walk. You know, when you think of a physical therapist, you just think it's one thing. And the manual work and the understanding the body and understanding the mechanics of the body is really what I've come to learn about what goes on in the practice here. And I just think that's so different than what you would normally expect from a physical therapist. Being able to be active, being able to exercise is what keeps me sane. It just makes me generally happier in my life, and I just feel like it all kind of comes back to IPA Physio. It just gives you such a peace of mind to know that somebody's just looking out for you, who understands the body and my body and is able to really drill down on what the issues are that are going on and that you're going to be okay. So